Jack, and look, he ate. Look at the reindeer ate the carrots.
Look. Look, he had his cookies and his carrots.
And Santa had his cookies. And he drank some milk out of monkey cup. Whoa! Can you believe it? He came. Just like Polar Express.
Santa came. Look at all those presents. Man, I believe it.
Whoa! Jack, it's because you wore your PJs. Yeah, you wore your Santa PJs. He knew to come.
Beanie, go check out the note.
Oh, look at the note over here. Jack,
Look, he drank all his milk.
Jack, look at this. Come here. Look, he wrote, Jack and Crosby, thanks for the goodies. Have a very Merry Christmas. Let's hit the slopes very soon. Lots of love from the North Pole, Santa.
Whoa.
The reindeer ate the carrots. And Santa ate the cookies. And he gobbled down some milk. Yes! You give high five? Give me high five.
I think someone's still sleepy. Wait till you see all those presents.
Shoot. And look, he put some stuff in your stocking.
Whoa.
Your choo-choo stocking.
Whoa.
He put some stuff
Hi,
in
Chris.
And Crosby's got some stuff, and Manny's got some stuff, and Dada, and Mama. You should go give Crosby a hug. Say Merry Christmas, Cros.
Go give him a kiss.
Give him a big hug and kiss.
What happened?
Crosby put on his Christmas PJs too.
Crosby, say Merry Christmas.
Say Merry Christmas. Hey.
Yay.